Hello everyone, this is Olalumomobola again from Lamp Media Touch. Today I want to show you how to create a simple and functional logo in coreldraw. Let's get it started. So the first thing I need to do is to draw a perfect circle. So I can draw an ellipse by just clicking on the ellipse tool here, then come to my workspace and try to draw. But to make it a perfect circle, I have to hold the control button on my keyboard. So once it's done, this is a perfect circle. So how do you know it's a perfect circle? Is by coming to the property bar here. You see the size values here. You see the size is 106.567 for the horizontal, and for the vertical also is still the same thing, and the unit of measurement is in millimeter. You can change this unit of measurement if the millimeter is not convenient for you. The one that is most convenient for me, that I do use very well, is inches. So let me change the unit of my measurement to inches, though I might not really need this measurement later in the design of the logo, but let me just change the unit of measurement. So how do you change the unit of measurement in coreldraw workspace? Is you click on the pick tool and you ensure you do not click anything. So to uncheck this one, to unclick this object that you have clicked before, just click anywhere around the workspace without selecting any element. This property bar will change to the property, if you change to the property of the workspace that you are using. So here you change the unit of measurement here to inches. Now going back to my logo, so what I need to do is I want to duplicate this circle. You duplicate by pressing plus on your keyboard if your keyboard has plus, but if it doesn't have plus, you can Ctrl C, Ctrl V in order to place it in place. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. So a new copy of the shape that I've drawn has been made. So the new copy that I've been drawn, you can increase it by 20%. So you come here, instead of inputting a value, you can also increase by percentage. You see, since we've drawn the object, we've not made any adjustment or resizing on the object, so the value still remains 100% from the initial value that we draw. So in order to increase this shape, so I want to increase it by 20%, so it means that 100 plus 20%. So the values for the horizontal and the vertical will change respectively because this lock ratio is locked. So once I press enter, this one has been increased, the duplicated one has been increased. So in order to achieve that logo, so I have to move this new one up a bit. So I need to duplicate this one again, this big one again. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, then move it up a little bit. Now the next thing I will need to do is to use the bezier tool to draw a curve across this line. So let me start from here, draw up to this level, you curve upward, then you come back to let that curve cut across this place where this second circle and the first circle intercepts. So now click, then drag. So that's it. So you can go back and select your shape tool and adjust the direction of the of the curve. You can use the extension here to adjust the direction of the curve. So let me duplicate this one, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and move it up a little bit. Then Ctrl C, Ctrl V again, then move it up. So instead of leaving it like this, so I will adjust this one down, cut here. So that's it. I think I'm through with the sketching of the shape that I'm looking for. So the next thing I will need to do is to use the smart fill to cut out the areas that I want for my logo. So on the property bar here, you can select or specify the color that you want your fill to have. Then you don't want any line to be shown on the new fill that you are creating based on the banding sections. So what smart fill does is that it creates a new shape. Create a new shape out of space that is banded by lines. Like now, though it is like now we have different objects that are overlaid. So by the time I click on this one here, a new shape has been created. So I click on this one also, another new shape has been created. Then I click on this one also, another new shape has been created. So now this is all I need for my logo. Select this one, select this one, select this one. You can move them out from that place. So that's a simple logo from merging shapes together. So these ones you might put them aside or you delete them totally. So this is just our simple logo. Now the next thing is to add the color. So I'll be adding the gradient fill using the interactive fill. So all I need to do is just to draw diagonally from bottom here up. Then the first color swatch down here, I'll click on it. Then you click on the blue. Then the second color swatch, you click on it again. Then you click on cyan. So that gives us our simple yet functional logo. So the next thing you need to do is to type the name of the company. So the name of this company is Saka. Let's say Saka Investment. So it's just fictional or out of my head. There's no business or any business that approached me for this. I'm just doing it for tutorial sake. So you can change the font of the name that you have picked. So in order to align the name and the entire logo very well, so I need to draw an imaginary line over all the shapes, then click group up here. So now I can select the shape and the text together, then press C in order to align them. So that's it. That's our logo. I hope you've learned something in this short tutorial about how to create a logo using shapes, using circles and bezier tool. Please don't forget to subscribe in order to see more videos from me. Thank you.